If you want your content to perform better, you need to be very intentional about these settings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noma. If you're seeing me for the first time, and if you have been there, thank you so much for the love, support, and yeah, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how we can increase our watch hour on YouTube. How to increase your watch hour on YouTube. I mean, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, sit back, relax while we get right into the video, shall we? So guys, you'll be needing your Chrome browser. So here you type in studio.youtube.com. as seen here. You search on it and then it's open up like this. So you tap on channel customization, wait for it to load, and then it will open up like this. Okay, this is channel customization. So you tap on this home tab, click on it, and then it brings you here. So here you have home tab and layout. We also have channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So you will have to put a video you want people who are just visiting your channel to see. So as you can see here, there's a video I added. Okay, that's one video you would want people to see when they visit your channel. Add it on your channel trailer. So yeah, this is how your channel customization page should look like when you open it. So you see this home tab, it says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Layout, customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Underneath you see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So this is a video I've added. You can choose your own video and add video you want people who are yet to subscribe to your channel, you want them to see, you add it here. So just in case you want to change a video that you've added, you click on this button here where you can see change video and remove video over here. So you tap on the exact column you want to either change or remove the video. Okay, that's how it is done. So yeah, add a video that describes what your channel is all about. So underneath you see featured video for returning subscribers. So this is for people who have already subscribed to your channel. Okay, so yeah, add a video you want people to see once they visit your channel. All right, so at the right hand side you will see where it reads add section over here. So when you click on this add section, you see channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers, for you videos, popular videos, short videos. My own is not highlighted because I already did all of these things before now, although I still have some that I'm yet to do, like upcoming live stream, single playlist, multiple playlists. So anyone you tap on, you add a video that suits the description. Okay, I hope you understand. So yeah, that's it. So once you've successfully added your videos according to the description, it looks like this on the outside. Okay, so that will enable you to feature as many things as you would want to keep in place. Okay, so you will see this for you section. All right, we are going to click on this more settings. Yeah, this more setting that is under for you caption, we are going to tap on it. Okay, what to include in your for you section: content type, video, shorts, and live stream. My live stream is turned off because I haven't done any. So please carefully and strategically make sure that these buttons are turned on. Your shorts videos, your full videos, Okay, these two, depending on the ones that you have done on your channel, turn them on. Then you see this recency. Please, this is where the magic is. You see this recency, you see all content recommended. YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. You will also see recent content only. Underneath, you will see content you've posted in the last 12 months. Please, if your channel is more than a year, you would want YouTube to recommend videos that you've done within the last 365 days. This is to enable you to be able to get the 4,000 watch hour. This is for people that are yet to get their watch hour. So you wouldn't want YouTube to recommend your old videos, your very old videos. Otherwise, you may not be able to get the 4,000 watch hour on time. Okay? So yeah, another very important thing I would like to say is any change or changes you make, please don't forget to save and as well publish. Okay? If for any reason you change anything, please save it and as well publish. In this case, my publish icon is not highlighted because I've not made any change. But if you change anything, the publish button will be highlighted. Do not forget to save and publish. Okay? So here is what the publish button looks like over there. Don't forget to publish. Click on that button to publish. Okay? I hope this information helps. I hope you find it interesting. I hope it works for you.